Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I want to say thank you to all my subscribers for subscribing to this channel. If you are new here, welcome and thank you for subscribing. Today we're going to be doing an office tour. Okay, this space used to be my guest room, but I don't have guests anyway. It's just once in a while. So I decided to turn it into an office. So I'm going to be doing an update office tour also. But right now, I just wanted to show you guys how I started and how I did the decoration. And I want to show you guys around before I can come on with another office tour. Okay? So this is just a little bit, a tease. Okay? Okay, so let's get into this video. Just sit back and relax and enjoy the video. This is how the whole place is looking like. Yeah, first I'm gonna start from here. This area right here is where I take my pictures whenever I'm ready to upload a product or because I sell stuff. So I use this place to take picture. As you can see, I've got this backdrop from, and also make wigs and I sell hair also. So this is what I started lately. Okay, I sell handbags, belts, or if you're having a birthday and you want to get a girls night out and you want a pajamas birthday party, if you want a special design or you want something for your whole group, you can get in contact with me and I can also do it. So this right here is one of my big sis. She having a birthday, so we're gonna be going over to her house. I'm gonna make a video of it. We're gonna be going over and spending the night. So we're gonna be having a pajama party. Okay, so I sell sweaters, dresses, belts, handbags, and other stuff. Okay, right here I'm gonna move over. Here is my printer where I just print some SS document concerning my tax and other stuff. And right here is a storage. I got paper in it. I got my paperwork in it, and I got some other stuff up here. And this mirror been with me for a while. The video is on my YouTube channel. I'm gonna put it in the description box for you to go and check it out. So this wallpaper, okay, I did this wallpaper. This wallpaper make the room like it give you a whole different vibe. It just bring the beauty of the decoration out. I got this wallpaper from Amazon. I'm gonna put a little video in this. I'm gonna put a little clip in this video for you guys to see how I did it and how I got it on this wall. right here, I got this painting from Amazon. I just love the wordings. Good wordings is good, okay? Like in the morning when you get up, you have to say positive stuff to yourself. Nobody gonna push you, nobody gonna tell you what to do, nobody gonna make it happen but yourself. So you have to say some positive stuff and positive words to yourself. So I got this from Amazon. Make your dreams happen. Whatever you dream about, work towards it, and it's gonna happen. Boss lady, you the boss of your own self. Boss lady. Hello gorgeous. Good things happen to those who hustle. She believed she could, so she did. Be your own kind of beautiful. Everybody is beautiful in their own way. No matter how you look, you are beautiful. Don't let nobody tell you otherwise. Okay? There's something unique about you. There's something that you have and nobody can have. So everybody is beautiful in their own way. So I got this picture here. So the wallpaper is like this. Yep. So I got this tree right here. It was down in my dining room and I brought it up here. And right here is my chair where I sit. Sometimes when I'm sitting in here, I feel cold. I use this tool and cover up, and I just continue my work. Because lately I live in Houston. Houston weather is not right. It's like up and down, back and forth. So this is where I do my work. I have this flower right here, and I have this right here. I have my journal and my other stuff, and this is my laptop. I have this pretty picture of me right here, and other stuff. In here I got some paperwork in here also, and I just keep some other stuff in here. So I'm just gonna go over everything. This video is very short and sweet. I'm just gonna go over everything for you guys to see. And this rug right here, I got it from Ross. I got this from Ross. And this is my boxes that I use to ship out. I also ship out. This is what I use. I got that from UPS. That's what I'm starting with. And later, by the grace of God, I'm going to get a custom boxes to be shipping my stuff. But this is what I have right now. So, and I had this. I already had this roll. I got it from Ross. But in this room, I want this room to be like I don't want blue, so I'm gonna be choosing this roll. In my next video, when I'm updating this space, I'm gonna be changing the rug and other stuff. Thank you guys for watching and have a nice day. And please don't forget to subscribe. And please follow my Instagram. I'm going to put a link in the description box. Follow my Instagram and other stuff. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.